You probably think your Viber messages are private, but let's be real. If you use Viber on your PC, anyone who can get onto your computer can read all your chats in a matter of seconds. It's a slightly terrifying thought, especially if you're on a shared family or work computer. But the good news is you can lock it down, and it's easier than you think. I'm going to walk you through locking down your Viber with two essential layers of security. First, we'll set up the built-in screen lock for the PC app to keep your chat safe from anyone physically using your computer. Then, I'll show you how to enable the crucial two-step verification PIN, which protects your entire account from hackers trying to get in from anywhere in the world. Let's jump in and make your Viber account truly yours. All right, let's tackle the most immediate problem, someone hopping on your computer and snooping through Viber while you're away. This first step is a simple and effective way to stop that from happening. We're going to set up the Viber Screen Lock, a feature built right into the desktop app. It's the perfect fix for daily privacy on a shared machine. First things first, have the Viber application open on your PC or Mac. Now, depending on your version of Viber, the next step can vary slightly. On many current versions, you'll click your profile picture in the top left corner and then select Set a Rakuten Viber Screen Lock. Or you can click on Settings and then Privacy and Security. On some older versions, you might need to look for a Tools menu at the top of the window, click it, and then select Options. From there, you'll land in the Privacy and Security settings. Look for the option called Viber Screen Lock and a button that says Turn Viber Screen Lock On. Go ahead and click that. The next screen will ask you to create a password. This password is just for unlocking the Viber app on this one computer, so it can be unique. It has to be at least 4 characters, but I'd recommend something stronger that's easy for you to remember but tough for others to guess. Type in your new password, enter it again to confirm, and click Done. You're almost finished. After setting the password, you get to decide on the auto lock timer. Click the drop-down menu next to it and you can pick how long Viber should wait before locking itself. 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15, 30, or an hour of inactivity. If you're in a busy office, a shorter time like 1 or 5 minutes is your best bet. If you're just after some basic privacy at home, a longer time might work better. Choose what feels right for you. And that's it. Your Viber desktop app is now secured. You can either wait for the auto lock to do its thing or lock it yourself anytime by pressing Ctrl+L key on Windows or Command+L key on a Mac. Now, anyone who tries to open the app will be met with a password prompt. No password, no entry. Your chats and contacts are shielded. If you ever need to turn this off, just follow the same steps back to the privacy and security settings, where you'll find the option to turn the screen lock off. So that takes care of local privacy on your desktop. It's a fantastic first line of defense. But what about the bigger picture? What if someone gets hold of your phone number and tries to activate your Viber account on a completely new device? The screen lock we just set up won't do a thing to stop that. For real, bulletproof account security, we need to enable Viber's most powerful defensive feature. This next step is the single most important thing you can do to protect your entire account, and it's called two-step verification. This is the big one. While the screen lock protects your app on one computer, two-step verification protects your entire Viber account from being hijacked. Once it's active, no one can activate your Viber on a new phone or computer without a secret PIN that only you know. This is your ultimate shield. For this step, you'll need your phone. The two-step verification PIN is set up through the mobile app, and the protection it offers will sync across all your devices, including your PC. Grab your phone and open up the Viber app. In the bottom right corner, you'll see the More button, which looks like 3 dots. Tap it. From there, tap on Settings, and then find and tap on Privacy. Near the top of the Privacy menu, you should see an option for two-step verification. Tap on it to get started. Now you'll be prompted to create your PIN. Tap on Create PIN Code. Viber requires a 6-digit PIN. Choose this carefully. Avoid obvious combinations like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, your birthday, or anything easily guessed. Think of a secure number you can remember and it's tough for others to guess. Type in your new 6-digit PIN, enter it again to confirm, and click Done. After confirming your PIN, you'll be guided to the most critical part of this whole process, setting up your recovery email. Seriously, whatever you do, do not skip this. If you ever forget your PIN, this email is the only way to get back into your account. Without it, you could be locked out for good. Enter a valid email you have secure access to. Viber will send you a verification link to that address. Pop over to your inbox, find the email, check your spam folder if you don't see it, and click the confirmation to verify your address. Once your email is verified, that's it. Your two-step verification is active, adding a vital layer of security to your whole account. So what does this actually do? Viber won't ask for this PIN every time you open the app. That's what the screen lock is for. Instead, it will be required for major security events. For example, if you or anyone else tries to activate your Viber account on a new device, you'll have to enter this 6-digit PIN. It's what stops a hacker cold, even if they have your phone number. Okay, awesome job. You've now switched on the two most powerful security features Viber has to offer. You've got a password protecting your desktop app and a PIN protecting your entire account. But how do you manage them? What if you forget your PIN or just want to change it? Let's quickly go over that. With two-step verification active, you'll see it pop up when you make big changes. If you were to log out of Viber on your PC right now and log back in, you'd scan the QR code like usual, but then Viber would ask for your 6-digit PIN to authorize the new session. That's the feature in action, making sure it's really you. So what if you want to change your PIN? Maybe you're worried it's been compromised or you just want to refresh it. It's simple and you'll do it on your phone. Just open Viber and head back to the two-step verification menu. In this menu, you'll see an option to change PIN. Tap it and Viber will ask for your current PIN to confirm your identity. After that, you can create and confirm a new 6-digit PIN. It's as easy as that. Now for the most important part. What if you forget your PIN? This is exactly why we set up that recovery email. If you can't remember your PIN, go to the same two-step verification screen on your phone. You should see a Forgot PIN option. When you tap it, Viber will use your verified email to send you a reset link or code. Just follow the instructions in that email and you'll be able to reset your PIN and get back in. It really highlights how crucial that recovery email is. It's your safety net. To make it crystal clear, the Viber screen lock is for local privacy on your PC, stopping someone with physical access from reading your chats. The two-step verification PIN is for global account security, stopping anyone anywhere from hijacking your account. For total protection, you need both. You've already taken the biggest steps to lock down your account, but why stop there? While we're in the privacy settings, there are a few other quick tweaks you can make. First, let's manage your online presence. Don't want people knowing when you're online or if you've read their message. Go back to the privacy menu on your phone. Here, you can toggle off Share Online Status and Send Seen Status. Just know it's a two-way street. If you turn off your seen status, you won't be able to see when others have read your messages either. Next, stop random people from adding you to spammy groups. In that same privacy menu, look for Control who can add you to groups. By default, it might say Anyone. Change this to My Contacts. This simple flip ensures only people you've actually saved in your address book can add you to a group, cutting down on a ton of noise. Finally, it's worth remembering that your chats on Viber are already protected by default with end-to-end encryption. This means Viber itself can't read your messages or listen to your calls. The security layers we just added aren't to protect your messages from Viber, but from everyone else, people who might get access to your computer or try to take over your account remotely. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've set up two powerful layers of protection for your Viber account. We started with the Viber screen lock to keep your PC app private, and then we enabled the super important two-step verification PIN to protect your entire account from being stolen. Your Viber is now safer and more secure than ever. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you out and gave you some peace of mind, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. Share it with friends or family who use Viber on their PC because everyone deserves a little more privacy. And of course, subscribe for more simple and clear tech tutorials just like this one. If you have any questions or run into any trouble, drop them in the comments section below. I'll do my best to help you out. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.